Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be comparing two popular air fryers, the Ninja AF161 Max XL air fryer and the Ninja AF150AMZ air fryer XL. We will be evaluating these air fryers based on multiple categories to help you make an informed decision before purchasing. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel to support us. The Ninja AF161 Max XL air fryer is priced at $169, while the Ninja AF150AMZ air fryer XL is priced at $159. Therefore, the Ninja AF150AMZ air fryer XL is a more affordable option. Both air fryers have a 5.5 quarts capacity, making them perfect for cooking up to 3 pounds of French fries or chicken wings. It's a tie in this category. The Ninja AF161 Max XL air fryer has 7 cooking programs: Max Crisp, Air Fry, Air Roast, Air Broil, Bake, Reheat, and Dehydrate. On the other hand, the Ninja AF150AMZ air fryer XL has 5 cooking programs: Air Fry, Air Roast, Bake, Reheat, and Dehydrate. Therefore, the Ninja AF161 Max XL air fryer has more cooking options. The Ninja AF161 Max XL air fryer has Max Crisp technology, which delivers 450 degrees of superheated air to cook foods up to 30% faster for hotter, crispier results with little to no oil. The Ninja AF150AMZ air fryer XL, however, doesn't have this feature. Therefore, the Ninja AF161 Max XL air fryer has better crisp technology. Both air fryers have a non-stick basket and a crisper plate that are dishwasher safe, making them easy to clean. It's a tie in this category. Both air fryers claim to use up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods when tested against hand-cut, deep-fried French fries. Therefore, it's a tie in this category. The Ninja AF150AMZ air fryer XL has a wider temperature range of 105 degrees F to 400 degrees F, allowing you to gently remove moisture from foods or quickly cook and crisp foods with convection heat. The Ninja AF161 Max XL air fryer, however, doesn't have this feature. Therefore, the Ninja AF150AMZ air fryer XL has a better temperature range. The Ninja AF150AMZ air fryer XL has a feature to create flat, chip-like dehydrated foods, making fun homemade snacks. The Ninja AF161 Max XL air fryer, however, doesn't have this feature. Therefore, the Ninja AF150AMZ air fryer XL has a dehydration function. That concludes our comparison between the Ninja AF161 Max XL air fryer and the Ninja AF150AMZ air fryer XL. While both air fryers have their advantages, it ultimately comes down to personal preference and which features are most important to you. We hope this video has been helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and comparisons. Thank you for watching.